Next one, double integral over r x square plus y square dx dy. Throughout the area r bounded by y is equal to 4x, y plus x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Okay. So we can draw this. Y is equal to 4x, x-axis, y-axis. Y is equal to 4x is a straight line through the origin. So y is equal to 4x. We are roughly, simply drawing, not with the exact measure. Okay. Then y plus x is equal to 3. So for that, put any 2 points. If x is 0, y is 3. If y is 0, x is 3. So 3 is 0. This is 0, 3. So this straight line. So it is y plus x is equal to 3. This is y is equal to 4x. Then y is equal to 0. That is the x-axis. So this is y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. For that, there is an intersection. We don't know where is 2. Okay. We are not draw this. We are drawn this without measuring. Okay. So we don't know if it is 2 or less than 2 or greater than 2. So for that, find this point of intersection. So y is equal to 4x. So 4x plus 4x is 3. 5x is 3. X is 3 by 5. Or it is 3 by 5 is 0.6. Okay. So here x value is 0.6 or 3 by 5. So where is y is equal to 2? This is the x value. What is the y value? Y is 4x. Because we have to draw y is equal to 2. Y value we needed. Okay, not x. So if x is 0.5 or 3 by 5, y is 4 into 3 by 5. It is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is 2.4. So it's clear that here y is 2.4. So where will be y? Below this point or above this point? Clearly it is below the point. Okay, because this is y is equal to 2. 2 is less than 2.4. So this is y is equal to 2. So which is the region? Region is bounded by this one, this line, and the horizontal line also. So bounded by all the 4 equations, we get this one, parallelogram. Okay, not parallelogram, it's a trapezium. Okay, so this is the region O, A, B, C. Okay, so in this region we have to consider vertical strips or horizontal strips. So if you are considering the outermost integral along x direction, you have to consider vertical lines at the extreme. So first one is through this, second one through this. Okay, so next one we have to draw any vertical strip. So if we draw a vertical line here, the end points are first lower point is on the x-axis and uppermost point on this line, y is equal to 4x. And we have to consider all the vertical lines. Okay, so if you consider vertical line here also, this strip must be same. But here, this is the strip stay same as this one? No, because the lower point is on the x-axis, but the upper point is on the y is equal to 2, horizontal line. So here it is on y is equal to 4x, here it is on y is equal to 2. And if you consider any one strip, again righter point, we get the uppermost point in the line y plus x is equal to 3. So that is another one. Okay, so that is not possible. If you are drawing vertical lines, so vertical strips or horizontal strips, those strips must be uniform or the same. The endpoints will be the touching the same lines, not in different. Okay, so here it is different. So we can't take we can take this vertical lines, but that is very tough method. Okay, that is for that we have to split the region into 3, because 3 variations are there. So we have to split the region into 3, and adding 3 integrals, you are getting the required integral. So it is easier if you consider horizontal lines. So which are the horizontal strips? These one are the horizontal lines. So this is not needed. Y from 0 to 2, then x from draw any horizontal strip inside the region. Everywhere it is uniform. that is the region is not, or line is the curves are not different. Okay, those are the same. So the endpoints are, first one, left endpoint is on the line y is equal to 4x, right endpoint on y is equal to x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so the limit for x is from so here it is y is equal to 4x. So what is x? X is y by 4. So x is y by 4 to x plus y is 3. So x is 3 minus y. So first of all we have to integrate with respect to x. Integral of x square is x cube by 3, y square is y square into x from y by 4 to 3 minus y. First of all, substituting the upper limit 3 minus y. 3 minus y the whole cube by 3 plus y square into 3 minus y minus of y by 4 the whole cube by 3 plus y by 4. Y square into y by 4. Then what is the integral of 3 minus y the whole cube by 3? It is 1 by 3 into, again you can assume this as some x or y. So its integral is 3 minus y the whole raised to 4 by 4, but divide by this negative also. Then this one is 3y square, so 3y cube by 3 minus y cube, y raised to 4 by 4. Then y cube is y raised to 4 by 4. Again y cube, y raised to 4 by 4. Okay. Substituting the limits from 0 to 2. If you are substituting 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 by minus 12. It is 8, it is 16 by 4, it is 16 by 3 into 4 raised to 4, minus 16 by 4 into 4. Any minus lower limit when x is 0, 3 raised to 4 by minus 12 is there. So the answer is, simplifying we get the answer as 463 by 48.